This is HOLY STONE HS720G, and today I'll show how you can perform a gimbal calibration on this drone. So in the beginning, enter the camera feed of the Ophelia Fly app. Now inside the camera view, look below the shutter button, then press this adjustment icon and select the second section here that looks like a picture or something like that. Now scroll this page down, look for the gimbal gyroscope calibration. Tap this button here to start it, and now make sure that your drone is laying flat on its belly on the even surface and do not touch it. So just allow it some time to perform a calibration. You do not see that, but I can see the gimbal moving, and well, once this window closes, that means that the calibration went successfully, and well, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.